Hello everyone, this is Professor Maciel Moya Chavez, and I'm going to explain to you how to make information questions in the simple present tense. So to know how to make information questions, we need to remember the order of the questions in yes-no questions, okay? So let's remember that to make questions in the simple present, we need do and we also need does. And let's remember that we use do and does to indicate the other person that our question is in simple present tense. If we don't use do or does, the other person won't know which tense we are using. So in this case, if the subject is you or they, we're going to use do, all right? And after do, we need the subject. And after the subject, we need the main verb. It must be simple. We don't need to add ing or ed, nothing. Just simple as it appears on the dictionary. Then, we use does when the subject is she, he, or it. After the subject, we're going to use the verb in a simple form, okay? No es, no ed, no ing. Let's continue to the next. Okay, here we have like a little summary of how to answer these questions. So as it is a yes no question, we have to answer with yes or no. The same happens with this other question. We have to answer with yes or with no. That's why they're called yes no questions. But what happens with information questions? As the name says, we're not going to answer with yes or with no. We're going to give information. So let's observe this example. So we have where. What's where? Where is an information word. An information word like what, when, who, whom, which, how much, how many, how far, how old. Those are information words. In this case, we're using where. After where, we're going to continue with the same order of the yes no questions. Do, then the subject, then the main verb in simple form, and then the complement. And how do we answer? We don't say yes or no. We're gonna say, for example, you watch a movie at Cinepolis. So as you can see, where disappears, do disappears, and we give the information asked here. Where at Cinepolis. Okay, that's the information we gave in the answer. Let's see another example. We have this one. Again, we're using where. Does. Why does? Because we're using she, he, or it. Watch a movie. Where does she watch a movie? Check it out. The verb in simple form. Now, what happens with the answer? Where disappears, right? And we give the information here. Where? At Cinepolis. Be careful with the verb, okay? Because the verb changes. Why watch in the question and watches in the answer? Because does disappeared in the answer. So that's the theory about information questions. I hope it has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching.